Good morning, everyone. My name is DAR Wong, and I am a veteran market investor for the last 30 over years. Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, we shall share with you one very important market opinion, and it could be a stock market, it could be a CFD, it could be an FX or options, or it can be just any commodity that come from any part of the world. So don't forget to log on to us on every Monday morning, watch us, and all you need is just 10 minutes. Stay tuned, and I shall be right back. Well, this is the OTOP 148, and in Cantonese, we call it the Yat Say Fat. That means all the way to have prosperity and fortune. Alright, and this is for the week 10 July year 2023, the second week of second semester this year. And well, this is the DW World Equity Time once again on a Monday morning, 9 a.m. Stay tuned, and before we start off watching this video, please like us and share this video out with the people around you. Alright, 148. So what are we going to talk about today very quickly? Well, we're going to give a revision on last week where we shared the opinions on USO. Alright, that we forecast the WTI crude prices would go up, and yes, indeed, it has gone up, and congratulations to those people who have long the crude prices. And this week in the OTOP 148 for the week 10 July year 2023, we shall continue to stay with you and share with you another good market opinion coming up. Right, before we start off for today, let's do a quick revision. Alright, US Secretary of Treasury Janet Yellen is visiting China now. Alright, and we have seen a lot of Western leaders, especially from US, lining up to visit China for the last 2 months. Alright, and this is something very unconventional. Alright, and the last time we saw this was during the just before the 08 crisis. Alright, so you know what I mean. Okay, last week Friday, the US non-farm payroll added 209,000 new jobs, 209, alright, to 2009,000, 209,000 new jobs, which is below the expectation and the consensus, and also versus a higher number of 306,000 in the previous month. But however, market was still worried about another rate hike coming, which was revealed in the FOMC meetings on Thursday morning in the Asia hours. So on Friday, Dow Jones actually closed at a price of 33,734 and lost 187 points. S&P also lost 12 points, closing price 4398, and Nasdaq lost 18 points, closing price 13,360. Well, the oil prices here, as you can see, it was up $1.87 on Friday. Closing price on this WTI crude was $73.67, and last week we were talking about this market when it was trading at about $70 US. We shall do a quick revision in a while. And of course, gold prices has been moving sideways. There was a big jump up on $15 gain on Friday. Closing price 1930 US per ounce. Well, nothing fantastic there on last Friday except the non-farm payroll. And let's take a look this week for the 10 July year 2023. Alright, OTOP 148. And what are we looking at? Well, let's take a quick revision on last week on this USO, which is an oil fund trading in NYSE. Alright, New York Stock Exchange. Well, the closing price on Friday was $65.85 US dollars, whereas last week we actually shared and recommended this market opinion when it was trading at about 63 US dollars. Okay, so there was only a $2 uptrend, and our ongoing recommendation for this counter would be to hold on, because there is a big possibility that the market may go up to $68 or even $70 US dollars on this ETF this week. Alright, and the reason for oil prices to go up or USO to go up is definitely we are looking at a warning US dollar index and on the lower dollar index will definitely push up the oil price and the gold prices, which is a precious metal. Okay, taking a look at this US dollar index here last Friday, there was a beginning of a sign, okay, which closed below 102 for the US dollar index, and that's a good sign that the dollar could be coming down to do a correction soon for this coming week. Okay, taking a look at the 4-hour chart, it has gone down. All right, and we are possibly looking at 101.50 this week, and if it breaks down, then perhaps 101 is within reach. So on a lower US dollar, lowest greenback, all right, oil prices will continue to gain higher this week, and of course not forgetting gold prices, it could be moving up as well. All right, so a quick glimpse at the gold prices. All right, this week, well, if we look at this chart, I would think gold prices will be pretty firm. Okay, and Friday there was an uptrend, okay, moving up, and on the 4-hour chart it has gone up, and gold prices has got the potential of making some technical recovery this week. So on gold prices going up this week, we are particularly looking at a US gold mining stock, all right, which is exactly the contents of OTOP 108 for today, 10 July year 2023. And well, the counter is coming up. It is Newmont Gold Corp. All right, NYSE Newmont Gold Corp. As you can see here, the market has come down for quite a while. All right, dividend was just declared, and the ex-date was May 31st. That was just about more than a month ago. All right, looking at this day chart here, I think it's worthwhile to go in and pick up some positions in Newmont in case the gold prices recover this 1 week or 2 weeks. We're going to see Newmont prices going back up, and the target could be this 200-day average, about $47 US. All right, okay, per counter, and changing the time scale to 4-hour chart. Well, I think it is trading sideways, and of course we are still on positive outlook that the momentum is going to cross the zero and go higher. Well, so Newmont is the market opinion that we are sharing this week for OTOP 148. Okay, pay some attention to it, do some homework, and follow this market this week, because once the dollar is down, gold prices goes up, gold prices go up, and Newmont Gold Corp is going to be our preferred stock for this week in OTOP 148, and it could probably bring some quick profits into your pocket. All right, stay tuned, and this is DAR Equity Time signing off. Come back next week and